YouTube's up. Let me just get rid of this. Alright. Okay, dokie. Welcome everyone. It's Wednesday over here. Nice. Okay, we're feeling it nicely. Good morning everyone. Okay, let's move this here. So, wow, it looks like GG over here was an interesting day. Very, very interesting, in fact. Looks like it's finally worked though. Morning. So yeah, let's just get a fresh analysis over here. So let me just get rid of this. Good. Let me just move some people maybe over here. Okay. So, good morning everyone. Let's just take a look over here. So the first thing I want to look at is the daily time frame. Actually, wait, let's just wait for some people to come in for a sec. Yeah. Let's just wait. I'm just going to post a little YouTube.
I nearly missed that trade last night, Max. I got off because it was like, I don't know, 1:45 or something, and I was absolutely wrecked. And it was only because I got a little baby, and she was screaming. Cara had been trying to put her to sleep for ages, and I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot. And it was only because I was trying to put her to sleep that I saw the message come up, and I was like, fuck, I'm jumping in this.
That's good then. That's good. And I said that I was gonna hold like 155, 515. It made sense and it worked.
Yeah.
These wicks. So I got like another.
Yeah, I got 16 or something pips out of it, so I was happy with that.
Oh yes, good work.
Yeah.
So, yeah, even though that little loss at the start, I was ashamed to be honest. I mean, looking at it on hindsight, I mean, where was it? Yeah, it looked good. It closed below. Oh, was it there or there? No.
Yeah.
Oh, where the fuck was it? I was there. It was there. Yeah, it closed below, made a top wick, so I was like, yeah, maybe it didn't exceed the low though. That's the only thing. I got it on the flip. I should have just kept on the low. Right. Let me just do this for a second, and I can start over here. So Mr. Raja Banks is Mr. Raja Banks has had a hard January as well. You can see he's in negative today. I just saw him. Right. There we go. Why am I not still mod? Green Bulls, I swear you always were. Let me put this. There you go.
I feel like the goal.
Right, let's just mute some people who don't know how to mute their mic here. Let's go. Right, okay. We are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join. The link is right here. Come and join us and watch us trade London. Okay, wicked stuff. Right, wicked. So welcome everyone. Let's do this over here. Let's just first of all check news just in case we get bummed by it while we try and take a trade. So let's just always be careful. So we have that WEF thing again. Euro news, but there's nothing really much, which is fine. Looks like Asian came up over here and then just trailed all the way down. So let's just put some zones in for the start, okay? So the daily time frame is bearish, okay? So it's exceeded the low of the previous as well, and it is still bearish. The 4 hour over here closed below. Ooh, okay, this 4 hour looks nice. The 4 hour closed below, okay. So what I mean by closing below, I mean closing below 4 hour support, which is here. This 4 hours closed below. So that seems quite nice. The hourly over here has just pulled up a bit, but it's just the start of the 4 hour, and it's just making a little top wick. So not really too asked about that. Where is price right now coming up towards? Well, it's coming up towards a certain support area, which is here, which could act as resistance. This is only like a 10 pip zone, which is nice. So for me, potential sells below here would be looking pretty saucy, I think. For buys, I'm gonna be a bit cautious with buys because the 4 hour is so bearish, and close below, I think sells are gonna be reasonable. I mean, let's take a look. So if you got closures above here, yeah, I don't know if I'd like buys, to be honest. Let's take a look on the hourly. Probably I'd only look for buys if this hourly does close above, then I can maybe look for buys, and I'd have to have big bottom wicks and stuff, but my main focus is sells over here. I think just above 156050. Yeah, maybe the better option. It's just that's like a 50 pip range though, that's the only issue. I mean, potentially trying to get above here, but then it's very, very choppy. So yeah, probably the cleanest is either 889 or a little bit higher. But yeah, I think maybe resistance may form here and then continue down bearish, which is what I would want to see, to be honest. You can already see these wicks already here rejecting the highs, which is good. That's what I want to see. Let me just put this over here. Sells. Sells below 155.40. If you look to the left, there is a support at 155.400. I would move my zone a couple of pips down. Let's take a look over here. Kind of rest down on like 384. The main support is down here, like 262. Because price seems to tap this zone every single time. I'd probably put it there, to be honest. Because there's the resistance line, there's the support again. That's probably the clearest one I can see. I think. Yeah. So yeah, beautiful. Gotta wait for that. It looks pretty good though. Let me just write a signal so it's all ready and stuff. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Already like that last 15 did close bearish, which is looking good. So yeah, coming towards the 4 hour flip very, very soon as well, which is very, very nice. But yeah, as I always say, if there's no entry like before the hourly, then I'll just wait for the hourly to close over here. Because we're breaking below lows again as well, like this could be a nice range for sure. So it'd be 250, and then for continued sells, it's going to come back down to these points of touching. So I'm looking at all these points. So, you know, there's 1, 2, 3. I want to be able to put a line that every single one of these points has gone through, and that's like here. Or you can maybe do it a bit further down, maybe like here. That's what you normally think for like really long runners, because this is clearly the area where it rejects from. So certainly around in that area would be pretty nice. So let me just put that on over here. That's at 155084. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Yep, so 50-minute close in 5 minutes time. I mean, if it does close below and I can get a nice stop, then maybe. We'll see, we'll see. We shall see. Looks a bit choppy, but under 155260 looks cleaner. Yeah, I think you're looking maybe a bit too far back. I mean, if you're looking at the 4 hour, it's looking pretty good now. Like, look. And looking on the 4 hour, where's it potentially going to come down to? Either this 4 hour support, this 4 hour support. So, I don't think it's too bad. We've had that 1 hour rejection from the upside as well. Looking nice, man. You see candles are clean enough to the left? Yeah, I think it's still fine. It's still valid. I wouldn't just miss this trade just because of it being a little bit choppy. They're actually quite clean towards certain levels, so yeah. Yeah, boy. So let's take a look at some more pairs over here. So we have gold. Gold was very, very interesting yesterday. We went through it with the group because there's been certain moves on the 4 and the 5 minute which are just very, very nice, and we need to get them for sure. So 4 hours just flipped. The daily is also bearish, but only just on it, so it suggests that it's going to be ranging. Go to the lower time frames, you can kind of see it is ranging over here. Ranging pretty hard from 18 at 10.4 to 18.15. This all here was news yesterday, which was very, very interesting. But what I wanted was this trade before, which I tried to get, but unfortunately didn't have enough time. It's coming down over here, and comes back up to a certain level, rejects it, and then if you look on the 5 minute over here, look at the 5 minutes, closing back in the zone. She's just taking a 5 minute sell. Worked out nicely. Worked out nicely. I'm just gonna hold on this. I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet, and I'll be back in 2 minutes.
I'm here, Ray.
Where's Milan today? I swear Milan's here. Yeah, he
I'm
is.
here.
Yeah, Milan's here. He's in the building, boy. So yeah, I mean, it's just in a big range for gold really at the moment. It had a big move. Had big moves yesterday. I mean, it ran down like 100 pips, then ran up 1400 pips. So yeah, it's been a pretty mad day. Did you take same GJ sells trade as Rajat in Asian session? No, I didn't trade Asian. I do not trade Asian. Right, Milan's voice is way too choppy over here. So let's take a look at GA as well. Ooh, GA looks like it's in the zone as well. Oh, thank God. Yes, got a cup of tea. Get in. Yeah, GA looks like ass. I don't know why anyone would want to trade it today. It's in a range. You just gotta wait for the range. Can move the dailies. The dailies and the 4 hours are so close though. Fucking hell. Look at the 4 hour as well. Damn. Yeah. So not really interested in that unless we come above over here. Unless you come above. It does look like GJ though could be the option today, I think. So like, I'm already trying to like predict of what I wanted to see. Maybe like something like this. I mean, this one's just closing now, so like this. Then you get in. Stop loss there. Easy. Easy work. Toilet water again. Morning people. 80 people in YouTube, man. Make sure to like the stream as well, guys. Subscribe as well. Giveaway coming very, very soon. fix the mic. Good. But yeah, it looks alright. Looks pretty clean for the day. Should be pretty good when we get some volume over here. 14 minutes left. Tasty. GJ in gold looks shit. Nah, I think GJ looks alright, man. As long as we respect this 4-hour highs and stuff, and I think it should be nice. I mean, at the moment, yeah, and the 15 looks pretty garbage, but when volume kicks in, it should be nice. But we do know...
GA also ranging.
Yeah, man. We do know that recently GJ has not been given as many top wicks like yesterday. My god. No top wicks on anything. It was a pain. It was a fucking pain in the ass. Apart from the trade I got in here. That was a top wick. So yeah, yesterday took the 3 trades. 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loss. Was very, very nice. But yeah, I think a lot of people try to take probably buys on gold. But yeah, I just stuck with that higher time frame over here, which was good. But yeah, GG and go. If you guys have any questions, make sure to ask me them as well. Anything about anything, make sure to drop them down. I'll take a look at some questions. I'll take a look. I still don't get this right. You know, one from South Africa, morning, amazing. Max, do you ever counter trend trade? I kind of do it on gold when it moves silly. No, I never counter trade on gold. I'll do it on GJ sometimes if I can get a nice stop, etc, etc. Like here, I probably would have done this if I was a bit quicker, but I was looking at gold because it's rejected again. It's made the top wick, and I would take a sell here with stop loss above. Yeah, I would only do counter if it's like at a resistance zone and it's really rejected and closed bearish and then made the top wick. Yeah, I would never really do counter trend on gold though, to be honest. What are the best months to take challenges? I'd say March, probably June or May is good as well. It really depends. It depends on the news as well in that month. It really depends. It really depends. Oh yes, Mandalorian's out today. I'm gonna watch that shit and then do that simulation, boy. Yeah, this is Stefanos. He used to get like loads of praise from Raja, but my guy gets just no views. I think he may be just a bit boring, is it?
One of them should be looking over all the time frames again.
Yeah, I don't know. He's 4 views, like 4 views. Like what the fuck? Like, god dang, we here hitting like 87 views in like 2 minutes. Which currency pair would you recommend for beginners? GJ because the 30-minute time frame of GJ is very, very clean and simple. It's not too hard. Wow, loads of questions, guys. I like this. Let me just take a look. Have a little break. I'll take a look over here. So, green bulls over here. GJ, you got into a nice trade on the 15-minute bearish closure. Yeah, it looks nice. Closed below. When was this? Was this today? I have the same, but too early for me to trigger. Very clean, simple though. Max, please tell me this trade was valid to take or not. I didn't took. 4 hours already broken support, and plus it has 30 minutes to wick fill. Yeah, I think that was nice. I think that was good. 15-minute close bearish. I think maybe you should have moved your stop to here. Don't think there's a reason to have it any higher. You know, just respect the candles, and because here, if you lost this, you would have lost like 9 pips. When actually, it's very, very likely you're going to lose the trade if it exceeds that high, which is like 4 pips or 3 pips. So I think you probably could have just kept on that high over there. For sure, for sure. So let's take a look at FOREX. Yep, that's what I like to see. People already trying to mark what they want to see. So my students are telling them, you know, wait for the trades to come to them. And yeah, wait for some resistance to form. And wait for the trade to come to you. Stop just looking for the trade. The trade will come to you. Very, very nice. Sells below 377. Okay, okay. Is that what I've got? Gold, yeah. Buys above that zone. Just gotta wait for it to break really here. There we go. Tom's looking at sells as well. Either to retest the daily or flip it just right now. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this 4-hour continuation. Mosin over here, yep, 1815 you're looking, 1819.9, yeah, that looks like a nice zone as well. Like a 40 pip zone. Yeah, someone... Milan, you're still getting told off for your mic, I gotta meet you. The YouTuber getting pissed off. Hot mic. Let's take a look over here. Sells below 385. Yeah. I think that's what I'm looking for, right? Yeah, beautiful work. Nice chart work, guys. 8 minutes time. Looking nice, looking nice. Yeah, simulation today, man. Let's take a look. Which currency pair would you recommend for beginners? Done that. I have EU, GU, gold in one direction. Nice. Maybe a bit too many pairs, though. Maybe just focus on one. Hey, can you give tips on trading gold, like how it differs from trading GJ? Trading gold very much depends on the higher time frames, with the 4-hour and the dailies. Very, very hard. Like, do not, like, for here, I would not even be looking at buys on gold. I mean, I'm not really anywhere on GJ, but yeah. Right, please unmute your fucking mics. Oh my god. Fucking
It's
hell.
not me, man.
No, I know it isn't. It's someone else.
Nah, it was
MX,
Milan. Bloody Milan.
what do you
It's always
think
Milan.
gold?
What do you think of gold?
Hey guys, what do you think about gold below 1811?
I think 1810 would be okay. I mean, yeah, 1811 is the support as well in the hourly. It's just in this 4-hour consolidation though, which is a bit scary. Do you ever take double trades? I think you mean like entering twice, so entering one time, hitting it to break even, and then entering a second time. Yeah, do that a couple times. Only when there's a lot of volume though. I've been following your London session for a while. I want to ask what your strategy is for entries and how do you risk manage? I'm trying to grow a small account, less than 100. Yeah, so my strategy is just support and resistance, price action. My entries are closures, so closures below, above, etc. on ranges. So if you have a range, you get a closure above, below. You'll be looking for sells. Mate, this flux ass kit thing. Milan is from Serbia. I've told you like 15 times. Some guy on YouTube. He asked yesterday as well. And how do you risk manage? I risk manage either on the 15-minute time frames with closures or top wicks. But if it is gold, I'll maybe potentially use the 5 minutes to manage risk. I also use 5 minutes on GJ as well to manage risk sometimes. I come to stream to remind how chaotic the world sounds. Which whiskey do you recommend while you trade? Oh, I like a nice Captain Morgan's. A nice Captain
Have you ever
Morgan.
tried Sailor Jerry's?
No,
Yeah, question.
I haven't. Is it nice?
Yeah, try if you get over there. It's Sailor Jerry's. It's like sort of like we have Captain Morgan over here, but we also have a Sailor Jerry's. The Sailor Jerry's with solo, unreal.
Really? I do like a whiskey.
Yeah,
actually.
unbelievable.
Whiskey and Coke's fucking good shit.
I've died about 20 times off Sailor Jerry's. I don't know if I recommend it.
Oh, I might have to try it.
Captain Morgan is pretty cheap here by us, Max.
Yeah, man. Pretty cheap and cheerful.
Yeah, it's like, I think it's like $100, 100 rand.
Yeah.
Bizarre, a bottle. You know, like, and it's mostly females. It's mostly females that drink it because it's like very smooth.
Yeah. Oh, Captain Morgan's a spiced rum. Yeah, sorry. So whiskey. I mean, is whiskey like Jack Daniels? Is Jack Daniels whiskey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Jack Daniels is alright. I quite like Jack Daniels. But yeah, I'm probably more of a rum guy then. I like rum. Proper 12 maybe. Haha, Conor McGregor's. Glenfiddich. Yeah. Glenfiddich. A lot of people like it.
Yeah. The Scottish, mate. The Scottish drink.
So,
I like martini. I'm drinking martini.
Owlie's closing in 3 minutes time. Pretty like a nice a candle that you can take potential celeries on, which would be nice. But I'm just gonna wait for this closure potentially. I mean, let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, it could be okay. It could be nice. So coming down over here, flipping the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame getting flipped, boy. Looking good for the hourly to continue down. A bit higher. There we go. But good. I'm liking these wicks to the upside. Really rejecting it. So beautiful. Gold still ranging. GH still ranging. So yeah. Only GG. Drinking and trading do not mix. Weed. Better than whiskey, yeah. Gotta agree on that, I think. I watched a podcast yesterday about Louis Theroux. Anyone heard of him? Must hear Louis Theroux, the documentary guy. He loves smoking a J. He was like saying, yeah, just smoke some gauge. Mr. Louis Theroux. Okay, coming down over here, nice. Looking good. Someone's gonna fucking carpet again. Milan, you fucking idiot. Have you checked the news? Yeah, there's no news this time. There is news.
Have you seen Louis Theroux on the Westboro Baptist Church?
Yeah. Yeah, I've watched fucking all of
up.
them. Yeah, I love all this. I've literally watched every single one, man. It is very, very good. There's some mad ones. There's one like polyamorous like relationship one, and this guy, you can tell, is just fucking sick of his life. He's like, yeah, this is okay, but he's like, I fucking hate this. So let's take a look at how the hourly's closing. Yeah, it's closing pretty weak, which is good.
I'm pissed I wasn't looking, but that was an easy gold trade a couple minutes ago. On the 5 minute with the 15 flipping, it broke the support and it just shot down right there.
Yeah, trading the range.
Easy 10.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, you see it rejecting the highs. So,
Yeah. Very, very
right,
true.
you see, you got two bearish 15 minutes, and then that third one finally broke.
I mean, even getting a bit higher, right? The 5 minutes look there. Oh yeah, 5 minutes a bit dodgy there, but that is just the top wick and then drive. That's only like 8 pips as well. Fuck. That was nice. Yeah, I was really happy. I was like, oh man, this gold's gonna fucking fly down. I mean, I didn't miss the entry, but I was like, this is gonna be interesting. And then the news came out about New York. I was like, oh my god, they just reversed, because that is bad news for New York, man. So look at the previous. Oh my god, it's like the worst one ever. Even like pandemic. 2020, 21 January. Minus 0.7. It's because no one wants to live in New York now. It's so fucking expensive. Like the taxes on it is ridiculous, isn't it? Beautiful. So hourly's opened over here. Nice. It is London volume, hopefully. So gotta wait for a nice little closure, potentially next 15 minutes. If you do want to come bullish, then I want a closure back above 585 to even look at it, to be honest. So yeah, took the trade. Ooh. GBP USD, nice. You're liking these 15-minute breakouts over here. Beautiful closure. Come back down to the support level. Wicked. Went down like nearly 10 pips. Good work. Good work. Not too shabby. That pretty quick down as well. Like 0 drawdown. There's some good questions, guys. If you have any more questions, make sure to ask them. And like the stream, guys. Make sure to like the stream. We got a beautiful gold trade yesterday. Let's see if we can get some more today. I think GJ's just sorting itself out. Hourly was still bullish before, but I want it to make this hourly top wick anyway. And then hopefully this next 30 minutes can close below. That would be pretty good. How big is too big? So exceeding the high of the previous 15, okay, but a lot of volume for the start of the hourly. Doesn't mean shit. I'm gonna be careful in this zone here because as we've seen before, we've had like 4 candles reject this area, so I'm not taking no impulses here. 4 hours still bullish though now. It's got 2 hours left, however, so that's pretty good. We'll just see. $27 left. Take a look at the hourly. How much to that lower wick? Like 10 pips. Probably not enough, really. The hourly's closed below as well, which is good. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. It's just this 4 hour could be playing this range. That's the thing that's like putting me off. If you miss like from the highs here to put it down to the lows, it could just range in this area for quite a while. Right, let's get this cup of tea drank, boy. Oh. So yeah, I'm doing a little bit of a day in the life today. Got lots of stuff that I'm doing today, so kind of just gonna put that on YouTube, which will be fun. Which would be pretty fun. So that'll be nice. I'm gonna do another one now. So we are live with the squad now. Look at this, 123 people just waiting for GJ to do something over here. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little cool montage, I think. Maybe like a time lapse. But yeah, like all the chats and stuff. We chilling over here. Good work. Oh yeah, I'll do a little time lapse. Right, time lapse. Where is it over here? Ah, yes. Oh yes, now so it's made the top wick of the hourly, which is good now. We potentially should continue down very, very soon. Good thing is we've got 10 minutes left of this candle closure, so it's going to give us that opportunity to potentially get that trade over here, which will be looking pretty good. Let's take a look then. Right. Some questions over here in the Zoom. Missed this, was waiting for from the entries. Take a look. USD CAD. Stop loss at break even and book 70%. Wicked stuff. I mean, it's just a support, which is fair. You've ran it back up. Looks pretty good. Went like 15 pips. Did you say you took this? Wait. Missed this, was waiting from yesterday. Ah. Pretty good. I mean, you use your trend lines pretty well. They seem to be holding nicely, so good work. Good work, man. Ooh, this is looking good, man. This is looking good. This is looking good. Me gusta, me gusta. So, on the 30, it hasn't exceeded the high of the previous, which is nice. That's what we like to see. Hey Max, why trade the 15 on GG than the 5 minute? 15 is just a very, very low confirmation. I think 15 closures and 30 closures are so much more reliable. And yeah, I just think they're better over here. Let's take a look. If this GJ 15 minute closes above, would you consider jumping in on the break of the highs in the next 15? Potentially, yeah. Potentially, if I had a nice low wick, yeah. Did my first buy limit on gold yesterday morning at 10. Went to sleep, woke up in P. I tell you what though, try not to get into the habit of doing that. I tell you why. I've done that. I did that for like a year, and fuck me, I nearly lost like every time. Like trying to take a trade before bed, going to sleep, because either what you're doing is you're checking in the night to try and see where it is, and you're having no sleep, or you sleep through it and you come back and maybe it would have hit TP or your area where you may have closed, break even or whatever, and then run down and hit your stop. Trust me, there's no point in trading when you're asleep. Like absolutely fucking no point. 1 hour celery on GJ looks good. Yep, I agree. Which will go into confluence with the 15 as well if this closes nicely, for sure. So
Max, I think that gentleman read that quote on making money when you're asleep.
yeah, that like make money when you're asleep, boy. I mean, I may do a series where we trade off the daily and I put the trades on in Asian. Because if you see, look, this is Asian here, 1 o'clock. This is the high of the day. Now, if that high of the day is respected, and you take a certain sell on that day, because you knew that last daily was bearish, and you put your stop, well, I don't know where you'd put it. But like, yeah, like it happens a lot like here as well with the dailies. As long as you get the top wick and then the drive, you'll be in profit all day, which is pretty cool. I might just do that as a series. I do daily swings. Ah, nice. Daily swings. Trading during your sleep is another form of gambling. Yes, very, very true. Very, very true. It's 5 AM. Oof. What's a celery and onion play? Heard Don say it and never heard him explain it. Yeah, I mean he's got videos on it, but a celery play is this. So it's where a 15-minute or a certain candle closes in the opposite direction to where price is moving, and then you take it on exceeding the low like this. So someone's saying the hourly celery, because the hourly over here, 1 second, closed very weak bullish. If it exceeds the low here, it's good to continue down. That's what he's saying. An onion play is just support forming, so I call the onion play this. Yeah, support forming. Pretty simple. But during your sleep, you don't make stupid human mistakes. Well, yeah, if you I mean, I suppose, but also if your trade runs into 30 pips profit, normally most even swing traders put it at break even, and you wouldn't be able to do that. Yeah, 1 AM. Yeah, I thought that 1 AM UK time was always like normally like the high. So there we go. Gold came back up over here, just ranging in over here. So yeah. True. I work at night to trade NY session. Yeah. Oh my god. In your mentorship, do you have the patience, someone who has zero knowledge but really keen to learn? Sure, yeah, I think we have a lot of people who are on different levels for sure, but all the content in there, like most of my Most of my webinars are pretty simple, especially like just the wicks, the candle wicks. I'm going to do more videos on support and resistance, just showing you really how easy it is. But yeah, most of the stuff's pretty simple, my man. It's not hard to get into. It's not a hard way of trading. Not hard at all. So yeah, it looks like GJ's playing here. I'm not really looking into, you know, getting into these buys as well at 4 minutes time here. I probably want something a bit more in this zone, really, I think. Trade work at trade during your steep is another form of gambling. Yeah, man. Easy shows a reduction. Did you see KSI's last year profit minus 5.5 mil? Yeah, was that on crypto? Yeah, he's a fucking idiot. They have such a platform, but like it's just so funny. Like people are like, "Oh my god, they know so much about crypto." It's like, no, they fucking don't. Like, he knows the same as everyone else does. Like, it's just he has a lot of money and he just whacked it in. When creating a top wick, which is your no-go line for a trade? When it exceeds previous 30-minute or hourly high, or valid as long as stop loss fits your size? So normally exceeding the 15 or the 30-minute high, really. Then I'll have to wait for another confirmation because it's not respecting the levels. Yeah. Unless it's on the hourly and I can get a nice hourly stop loss, which is 10 pips. Yeah, that's decent, but for the most part, it's like the 15 or the 30 minute for sure. Oh yes. 47 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream. If you guys haven't followed the Instagram as well, make sure to do that, as we are doing the giveaway this week. So if you guys do need magic keys, make sure to just comment and like on all of my pictures for the past like 4, 5, 6 days. The Instagram is going to be put down here. True, Max, your webinar are so fire, especially psychology and mindset. Yes, man. Oh yes, that is the biggest part for me, for sure. The psychology one, because goddamn, you should have seen me like a couple years ago, bro. I was fucking so, I just couldn't keep the emotions at bay, man. Like 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Come on, Jory, your mum. Really? Your mum. Me, I watch Sidemen quite a lot. I used to not really watch them through when I was at school, but fuck, like I watch them all the time now. I just like Harry. I like Harry and Bazinga. I could tell it would be well fun on a night out. Max, were you on Ted's live on Friday? I think I went on it for like a couple seconds, but for the most part, no. Yeah, I watched them when they were really young. Ted posted yesterday about indicators. Yeah, I saw that. It was very interesting about the indicators. I did a video on TikTok about that. TikTok's so hard to blow up, man. Do you know what I'm trying to do, right? Because, you know, TikTok's all about like, you know, just the engagement, you know, they need to like your post. So fuck me, I'm gonna go to the bank and like withdraw like 10 grand, have some cash here, and then do some of them fucking TikTok videos. Like, do you want to make 10,000? I'm gonna have to do some fun videos, like, because like what I could do is, right, I could do all the money thing, like fucking throw cash everywhere, and then I can jump down the fireman's pole like into my like trading den, I could call it. Like I literally can't grow on TikTok, man. I put effort into it and I get like 100 viewers. It's fucking shit. Overtrading has been my biggest problem last year. Yeah, to be honest, I think for us as a group, man, show the Lambos. Well, yeah, I know exactly. I could show the Lambos, show the Ferraris. Got a Rollie somewhere. Have you posted your small account challenge in TikTok? I think I may have done a couple of videos on it. Yeah. But like I want to do educational content on TikTok, but it just doesn't smash. Like I gotta maybe like put some fun into it, because people just want to see fucking money. Which is so sad, but So this candle's closed over here. You know, what should people be saying to themselves? Someone tell me, what am I thinking now with this 15 closing? What has it not done? What is still happening?
We're still rechecking the zone.
Yep, we're still trading in the zone. The candle here did not close above or below, so we are in a range. So you just gotta chill out. This is when, you know, try not to be so spontaneous. So someone says, can we buy GJ above top zone because it is highly bearish? Can we buy? No. Someone says, is your dad rich? Well, it's a very speculative term, but probably to most people, yeah. But he's not really a flexer. I'm just a flexing twat. You need negative IQ videos. Yeah, man. Get OBS to stream on TikTok whilst you do London. Ah, can you do both? Can I stream them to 2 places? That'd be sick.
Are you watching Newcastle next? I mean, the football?
Yeah. Wait, are they playing today? Or do you mean
I'm just asking.
last weekend? Yeah,
Are you
yeah,
a big
yeah.
fan? Are you a
Not
big fan?
really for Newcastle. Fucking lost hope with that when I was younger. I used to go to the
It's your
games.
home city.
Yeah, but I don't give a fuck about my home city. I want my team to start winning, right? I used to go to the Newcastle games, and I used to go when like Man United were playing on Man City, so I could see fucking good players. Like I just don't give it.
Yeah.
It's boring, man. Like if you literally have a losing side for like the past 15 years, it's fucking boring to watch.
Yeah.
But your PC go boom.
I'm going to Newcastle tonight to watch Spurs.
Oh yeah, is it tonight?
Not Newcastle, sorry, Leicester.
Oh, Leicester, jeez. Is that on Now TV? Let me see. I paid for Now TV because I want to watch some of the fucking football games. But goddamn,
I think it's on BT Sports tonight.
I felt like, why can't I just buy all of them? Like, why can't it just be one package? Like, I feel like Now TV, like Sky Sports has got fucking nothing on it.
I'll send you one of those USB sticks. You can watch everything.
Yeah, this stuff, right? I wanna be able to download this stuff, but I want it on my computer. But I don't trust Windows. I don't trust Windows.
No, you want IPTV on a Fire Stick.
Ah, the Fire Stick.
IPTV.
Ah, okay, IPTV. Yeah, I've got
And
lots
then
of
you get
them.
everything.
Someone says, wait, how was your experience with trading talent? Oh, do you mean funding talent? I think you mean funding talent. Education on TikTok? What? Education on TikTok? That is so not necessary. Yeah, let me save all these. I'll save that one as well. Someone goes, my mum just saw you on stream and she said you look like Lord Shiva on that chair. Who the fuck is Lord Shiva? Is that Game of Thrones? Because you said throne. The fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit! Wait, can you see my legs up like that? Wow, that's pretty fire. Wait, I look like it. Is it a man? Is it a woman? That's pretty cool. It says, which Lambo does your dad have? Countach. Yeah, he has a Countach. Yes. 5000S. None of that anniversary shit. Lord Shiva is pretty OP. Do you watch anime? No, but someone has recommended a lot of stuff to me. It's called Arcane something. It's a new thing on Netflix. Apparently it's sick. Yeah, this. So like it's like animated and I don't really like that shit, but look at the reviews. 100%, 10 out of 10, 9.2. Apparently it's really, really good. It's apparently it's to do with League of Legends, but obviously it just isn't. Like, you can just watch it like not without playing League of Legends. So apparently it's really good. Yeah, fun and talent.
That IPTV, it's not. Sorry.
Yeah, what?
That IPTV. I say the IPTV, man. You can even download it on your PC if you download BlueStacks.
Oh wow. Yeah, I don't trust downloading shit on this. Like, I just don't trust it. If it was a Mac, I'd fucking beat that bitch up. But yeah, for me, it's a bit scary. For Windows. Get with the new kids. my flatmate used to love playing League. I used to come in and he used to be bashing League. Don't blame you, mate. Felt the same for Liverpool between 2010 and 2012. Yeah, so boring. What business job does your dad do? He does like computer shit, like fucking. I don't really know, to be honest. Just computer stuff. Just clicks on buttons.
Max, who do you support in football?
I don't even want to say it because people are gonna get pissed off at me. Like, I should support Newcastle. Like, yeah, I'm like great, like, but I've always liked Man U. I always like the way they've played. Like, it's just been, it's exciting. Like, even now,
my boy.
Like, even now, like, I had like a Man United boot bag when I was younger. Like, cause my one of my best mates had it when he like supported them properly because his family from Manchester. So yeah.
My boy.
I'm also a Man United supporter, and hey man, it's been some set. Like I've seen them achieve so much. So I feel like, you know, in life everybody wants to have that winning feeling, and right now we're not in that moment.
Yeah.
So whoever is achieving whatever, man, you know, they also need to get that feeling, you know, into their bones. But I think it's more, there's more politics there, man, and I don't think anybody could basically figure out what's actually happening there right now because they got the squad. Personally, I feel that it's the midfield area that is making
the midfield
and the forward line suffer so much.
Well, if you just see like them play compared to like City, like the control they have at City have in the midfield is like absolutely fucking diabolically better. Like, it's just so much better. Like, they are literally mountains away from City. Like, absolute fucking, like, it's like playing with like a League One team. Like, when United be against City, they're gonna get their asses handed to them, like, really bad.
No, definitely. I was watching the Brighton game last night, and I look at these. You know, there's not star players in that team, but just the way they move the ball, the effort, the hunger. It's just different, man. You know, and Brighton was on fire, eh? And you know, I think they also they're a team to look out for going forward.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's City team. I think that City team is one of the best teams I've ever seen. It's just dominating. Newcastle will be like Man City in 2 years. Yeah, then I'll start supporting them. Where is the fucking volume? Yeah, no, the volume is 0. Like, holy shit. I ain't rushing into this. We just got some nice talks instead.
Max, who are we supporting in the Ronaldo's homecoming game? United or Newcastle?
Yeah, man. I would have. Do you know what? I try to go to that.
I think that's been the best game of this year.
I know. I should have gone to it, man. That was fucking stupid. I really should have gone to it. I need to be able to, like, I need to get some like plugs for like games, man, because I want to actually go to the football games now. Like, I've got enough money to like go to them now, like, not when I'm younger. Yeah, I want to be able to go to a lot more games. Things, my dad used to work for like Northern Rock and Virgin Money, so like he got like boxes and shit for Newcastle like back in the day, but obviously that's not the same anymore. Do you have bodybuilding posts on back camera?
I didn't catch that.
Someone says, wait, I would like to join your stream. How do I, buddy? You just gotta join the mentorship, man. So it's the mentorship is a mixture of everything. You've got live streams to come to. You've got the private NY. You can talk with us here on Zoom. You have webinars, simulations every single week. Yeah, for a good price as well.
We got Milan as well.
I heard somewhere all the rich people like Chelsea. Well, I like Chelsea. I like going to Chelsea. I'm going to Chelsea soon as well in March. Chelsea's nice, man. Chelsea's where I belong, bro. Chelsea's nice. Chelsea's car.
It's the best stadium in the world, mate. That's the only thing we got going for us at the moment. The best stadium in the
your
world.
stadium just looks sick. Like, I just like how it's got that bar. It's like the biggest bar, isn't it? Like the longest bar.
Yeah, the goal line bar.
That's
It's like
sick.
fucking huge.
How many teams are from London in Premier League?
Ooh, quite a lot.
Oh, loads.
West Ham, Tottenham,
Arsenal, West Ham, Tottenham,
Crystal Palace.
Palace,
Chelsea,
Brentford.
Chelsea, who?
Brentford,
that many?
did you say? I don't know.
Yeah.
Is Brentford in London? I fucking don't know where Brentford
Yeah,
is.
yeah, just about. It's near Heathrow Airport. Yeah, he's in London. Yeah. You can
Yeah,
consider-
wow, there's
You
loads.
can consider
I'm
that
from
London.
South Africa and I know that.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Who else?
There's so many London derbies.
Premier League.
Fucking hell, this volume is absolutely zero. Holy shit.
And how is Cardiff and Swansea playing for England?
Arsenal.
Even when they're
In
from Wales.
Wales. How the fuck
We
do you
got
guys know
Arsenal
all
as
that
well.
shit? Like, I barely know that.
I like sports. I like sports.
Oh yeah, Watford. Watford's just slightly out. But Arsenal as well.
Ah, Millwall, fuck 'em all. Millwall, fuck 'em all. I saw that TikTok. Oh my god.
Yeah, little racist boy, innit?
Yeah. I was like, what the fuck?
I like Millwall because of the movie.
Football Factory.
Yeah, that's a great movie. You guys all sound like from the movie.
Yeah, we're the real fucking hardcore, mate. You don't fuck with us, mate. You want something, mate?
You want some? I'll give it ya. They're like, you want some? You want some? You got no friends.
It's all fucking movies. It's all movies, mate. That's all it is.
Yeah.
Everyone watches movies and they think they're hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Fucking hell.
If you were to show your abs, they'll shit themselves.
Someone goes, I'll back the Russian. Everyone just calls you a Russian, Milan.
Not Russian. I hate Russian. I know they are Orthodox like Serbians, but I don't like Russians. I really don't. Most people like the Russians, but I don't. I don't like Serbians.
I think Milan must make it like a statement. Make it go kaboom or something like that. That would sound so cool.
Nah, he sounds like that guy off. Does he actually? Someone says your accent like Tom Hardy in Peaky Blinders. Ah, that's Ibs.
Peaky fucking Blinders. Hey Max, my friend Stefan from Serbia will also join the group very soon.
Oh, amazing. Amazing stuff. More to come in. Are there people?
Yeah, he's a national rugby captain in Serbia.
Really? Jeez, is he a meathead as well? He big lad.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, very big. Very big. Very big.
I am, but yeah. I think quite.
He's
a lot
watching you on YouTube.
Ibs.
He's watching you on YouTube for 2 months, you know.
Oh wow.
I talk to him all the time. Yeah, he wants to join the group.
Wicked stuff. That's what I like to hear. So I mean,
Ibs was taking GU and GJ trades yesterday. But early. Where did you get in, Ibs?
yeah, Ibs took it just on when it started pushing down, like over here. Where was it? Yes, yeah.
Did he impulse it?
Yeah, he got in like just here. I think right around these areas. He just impulsed that bitch.
Ah.
Yeah. Ooh, coming down over
What was
here.
that mean?
Yeah, talking about your
Does that
trades,
mean?
my boy. Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, so ranging, man. So ranging.
So
Check GA, so ranging. Man.
yeah.
Fuck.
Very happy with this zone at the moment. Should I close my GJ buys? Thanks. Well, it doesn't look the best for buys. You shouldn't be in buys anyway, so yeah, probably just close it.
The question was why you are in the buys.
Yeah, there should be no buys.
Who did buy? Who did?
Just someone on YouTube.
Oh.
So here, look, you know, if you got into a buy here or here or here, you know, use the data to the left. You've got wicks rejected, man. You've got to wait for a closure. All you have to do is be patient and wait for a little candle like that, and then you're probably good. Like this. But because you don't have that, you don't have the confirmation, you're leaving this little range. And it could sit in here all session, you've got to be careful. So, you know, look, for me it's tempting, I want to get in here, but I have to wait for another 15 close. Which is highly annoying, but, you know, I've got to do it. Especially when you're in a range like this, it's really, really testing discipline. And if this, for some reason, wants to just run off like this without me getting any entry with this 15 minute, then tough shit. Because, you know, we also have rejections from the downside here.
Yeah. Trading is all about waiting.
Yes. Stream is messing up. Yeah, it has a little bit of like a lag fart, but it's okay now, I think. It's okay now. Let me just put these a bit high, because my dad told me that these are way too small for people with shit eyes. There we go. I feel we could impulse wherever we're going, lol. There's a lot of times where yesterday we could impulse, but yeah. I trade GJ by price only. Ooh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah, like looking on the 4 hour, man, like it could just be a retest until you get that closure above.
Exactly. Exactly. Like for me, for buys, I'm probably not gonna even look at them, even if they come up here, because as you said, yeah, like this could be still making a top wick, etc. I just don't know.
It could be making a bottom wick, or it could be making a top wick. You know, we don't know. We need to wait, don't we?
Yeah. But the only thing you have with the sells is that this is closed below, pretty strong.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, like definitely the bias is sells, but I think we need to wait either way, don't we? Like you said, this is like if we're guessing. You always say this, like if you have to think about it, then it's not clear.
Exactly.
Then you need to wait. Yeah.
Yeah, and also when we get in here, it'll be exceeding the lows nearly, so that'll be nice. But it looks like potentially GJ is coming back up over here. So,
Max, for sales. Sorry, 'cause I joined late. It looks a little bit like confusing on the left-hand side. Yeah. Just wondering if you could just like talk over your zones just beneath that bit.
Yeah.
Please.
So for me, it's not really mainly about. So you know, always look at the 4 hour, right? Yes, there's wicks here, everything, but what I can see from the 4 hour is if this 4 hour breaks, which it has actually broken below, it should come to the next far support. For me, that's there. So that is enough, that's 20 pips. Then we also have wicks to the downside over here where it seems like we've collected to, and this is the next 4 hour. So, you know, all of this traffic here, that's fine. I'm not really too arsed about it. You know, it's the main structure we've got now is good. As long as we get the closure here, we should be fine. I wouldn't get too worked up on the left-hand side. The left-hand side is only really used for targets when you're looking at it so far away. If this traffic was here, then yeah, it would be a bit scary. I want to put stops to break even maybe a bit closer, but it's ages away. So don't get too butthurt on like not getting into trades because of the left hand side. I only use it now, like because this was ages ago. This is like 2 weeks ago. I'm only doing it for certain support areas where it holds, just because where price will maybe lie on. But you know, if you look to the left here, if price comes back down like here, look at these candles. Comes straight down to this zone, doesn't it? And actually this one came right all the way down here. Same thing here. When price broke below here, it came all the way back down to this zone and this zone. So you can see, don't be worried about this waffle, because this is just where ranges. And if you actually look at where the time was in this time, look, it's 5:45 till Asian. So it's not really, but the big times, so you know, London, NY, it moves nicely. See, London, NY moves nicely. So try to look at where the times are. This is after London closed. This is where volume is very, very low. When there's big volume, it moves quite nicely. And just look at the zones. Like so yeah, you can see it there pretty easily. Where we break below where we want, which is 440, which it does here, it moves all the way down. and these are our zones. And this is why I've put this zone there and this zone there, because prices tap them zones. So yeah, don't be too worried about that.
Yeah, nice. That's really good tip. Thanks. Yeah, for sure, like that puts me off.
Yeah, it's only when like it's like here and it was like happened like an hour ago or something, and yeah, you could be like, yeah, this could be a bit of a scary one.
So would you say like the last couple of days, like definitely within this week, and then beyond that, you don't really care?
Yeah, yeah, and like
okay,
and like for this, so you know, let's take a look. Where was it? Yeah, like coming back here for sells when we break below here, you could be like, oh well, what about this? Or what about, you know, this and stuff? Look at the strength of the candles. As long as you've got a nice top wick in the drive down, don't be worried about that, because what's going to happen is it's going to close back in the zone and it's going to fill the zone up, which is here to, like, you know, here, and it does that pretty easily. Then it relaxes right on the low and then continues down. There's loads of examples where, like here, you got strong candles. Maybe at this area, this is what the trade I took it here. People were getting scared of this, but look at the strength of the candles. We were rejecting the highs. It should come and fill our zone back up, and it did. Like this.
Sorry, Max, that first trade that you took on Friday was basically a perfect example. Yeah. Where I sent you like my chart. Wow, I was worried about the traffic to the left.
Yeah.
And you basically ignored that.
Yeah.
And it just tanked down.
Yeah, it was it this one or a bit further? I think it was that one.
It was the first trade on Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was that one there.
Yeah.
Because to us it looked like it was hitting that previous.
Yeah.
So yeah, and the reason why I was okay with it is because first thing is that my stop here was 11 pips to the high of the previous, which is right up here, which is nice. And this candle, I waited for its top wick. So if this candle here didn't really give me the top wick first and then the flip, then yeah, I may have missed that move because I didn't want it to just drive down straight away, because as I said, yeah, it could potentially cause a bit. So all I wanted was the top wick here to give me that confirmation that yeah, it's definitely leaving the zone above over here. It's coming back to retest it. When it starts to flip, you've got the drive down and then it should fly. So if you're getting a bit cautious about certain zones to the left, just wait for a top wick. Yeah, and they seem to happen like here,
Max,
happened here as well. Yeah.
Why most of the people like you, Ted, Rajat, FX, why are you all trading the GJ and gold? Why not some other pairs, Euro USD or Euro JPY or silver? I don't know.
Well, I don't know.
Is it because of the volume, or
yeah, I think
is it because you're a Brit?
I think it's probably because I learned from people who did. I learned like from Raja and Ted who did this, and it just makes sense. I don't know. I just there's no point in adding more. I just think it would be, you know, instead of changing your strategy every 2 minutes for different pairs and stuff, if I just focus on 2 pairs, you know,
yeah, but
you're gonna be better at it.
Why exactly?
Well, gold because it can move nicely and the potential can be really good with the higher time frames, and GJ because normally on the 30-minute on GJ it has big zones to fill. So like here you see nice zones, 33 pips. You can see the price action on GJ is nice as well. You can see here respects the highs of previous. A lot of pairs don't do this, so GJ always like respects the highs, etc. Like, if you look at GU, let's take a look at like GU or GA. GA sometimes does not respect the highs and make some random things. Yeah, like stuff like this, like that would barely happen on GJ. Always respect it. And also the zones, like GU. If you look at GU, the zones is tiny. It's very very small. So, like here, yeah. So if you like want to take a sell back below over here. 10 pips, like it's fucking tiny.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Whereas if you did that on GJ, it's fucking, you know, 30 pips. So
yeah, I'm just curious.
No, that's why. That's the reason. Yeah, just spreads are nice on it as well, and yeah.
Okay, thanks.
It moves. It's the pips moves per day. GJ and gold have the highest. Yeah. Just a lot of volume. There's a lot of volume.
Lots of wicks on GJ.
And also, so like GJ we know I use because only one of the side of the pair is open. So yeah, thank you F1 for subscribing. So like when we trade it in this session, the Asian session is closed, so Japanese yen's closed.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Lots of wicks on GJ, man. It was good for sell.
Yeah, rejecting them highs again. So if people try to take a buy again over here, then you'll be in some drawdown, like 7 pips again. So maybe learn your lesson not to take these. Even though it looks so tempting, all you gotta do is wait patiently. But yeah, fucking zero volume today, holy shit. Yeah, gold in the range, GA in the range too. We'll see, maybe at 9 o'clock they may bring us some volume over here. Gold is around 100 to 80 pips, gold easily 100, yeah, exactly.
Max, I've seen it. Sorry.
Yeah.
I've seen yesterday that Don put on like a post on FOREX. I literally use FOREX when I trade Nasdaq, and it like works perfect.
Yeah, wicked. It's good then.
No, I think of like there's certain pairs and indices that does respect the FOB levels. So you're not just basically gonna use just the FOB level, like for example 32, 61.8, etc., etc. So on that FOB level, there will be either support or resistance area. There will be a trend line touch.
Yeah,
there will be maybe an interruption candle, fake out, etc., etc., etc.
Yeah, I think it helps people, but like, let's just do one here. I mean, I don't really know how it works, but like something like this, right? All it's basically doing is just show me where potential resistance is going to form. But I could tell you that anyway. You know, it's anywhere in this zone, probably below here at 742, because that's where the high is. So you know, and my issue is that if people do use them, if price comes up over here, so like this, and it comes to the 0.5, let's just say, right? They take a sell just because it's hit this fucking level, right? And then, you know, they take the sell and it just continues. All they had to do is just wait, you know, another 15 minutes and get a candle like that. And now you've got confirmation that's rejecting again, and then you can ride it back down. I don't know why you would need the fib. Like, you know what I mean? Like this here, if I just got rid of the fib, it's just resistance forming. And, you know, on the support level.
Yeah, you get a confirmation and
Yeah.
a proper stop loss.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
The first time,
I think
where you put the stop.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
If you
with
sell-
the fib, you just have to try and guess it, and I feel a lot of people who are new to it will just go, oh yeah, hit the fib level, great, let me just take a sell.
No, true. The thing is, like I don't really trade GJ with FOBs. Like I do zone to zone trading with GJ, but like with Nasdaq, because it's so volatile, it has like a lot of impulses, man. So I basically will use my higher time frame market structure. So if, for example, if we have an impulse to the upside and market structure is bullish, I will take my FOB from low to my high, and then basically looking which support and resistance areas it has respected. So now once it comes to that area, you will still wait for candlestick confirmation, like rejection from that area, etc., etc. So you will still wait for that. So you won't just base it off that specific FOB level, if you know what I mean.
That's fair, that's fair. Oh, so this is the table of all of the currencies here. So you can see GJ is the biggest one. Wow, that's mad. That's pretty nice. Looks like London moves the most. New York 82. Someone says, where's that guy from? He's from South Africa. Right, so coming to get a closure again on the 15, still nothing at all really. I am not going to be taking this because it's still in this zone. Even if this closes above this zone here, it's still scary and still hasn't closed above this zone.
There's some news right now because my spreads are going from 5 to 15 in a second.
Really? Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Mine's okay.
It's going jumping down.
I think it's your broker Milan.
I'm IC market, but I'm on a funded account. Maybe that's why, I'm not sure, but it's going up and down. My gold is 25.
Everyone's like, check out gold, check out gold, check out gold. It's that resistance, you fucking numpties.
Shit, my gold is 20. Shit.
Is it? My gold is 0.6.
Oh. I wish I had that.
Let's take a look at the hourly. It's just in this range. Look at the 4 hour. Just in this consolidation range. It hasn't came above 1816 yet. So it's a pain. You know how Gulag is, Max. Oh yes. Yeah, it's hard with Goldie. I think you gotta wait for closure.
Finn, what about your spreads, Finn? You alright?
I'm on my forex funds, the exact same as yours.
No, but he's saying that his is moving up and down. I think he's trying to check with you.
Oh, righto, sorry. Sorry, I'm in a carnivore mode.
Ends up with the fairies.
Mine's about 1.4 gold. It's actually just stuck there, basically.
Yeah.
0.4.
Why are you in the mood, Finn?
I don't know, man.
We've got COVID again.
Fucking hell, this volume. Let's take a look. So 8 o'clock started like here. The lowest we've had
What
there.
the fuck is wrong with January?
So we've had 12 pips throughout this whole hourly. I go by price up and down. Ah, nice. Check gold, everyone check gold. Check gold, check gold, check gold. Oh my god.
Buy gold now?
Buy gold fucking now, 100 lot. Zero stop loss.
Max, listen to Brian. You know, like funny enough, since last year, October,
I mean,
so basically what happened was, whenever I'm at work, then the volume is like booming. But on my off days, the volume is dead.
Volume's ass, yeah. The volume's fucking ass. This daily time frame as well. Ooh. The last time frame, the last daily closed bearish, even though it had all that good news. We'll see on this closer. No stop loss, gang. Yeah, no stop loss, gang. 11 minutes left. The thing is, a lot of traffic to the left as well. Look at the 15, right? So if you come here, there's resistance, the support and resistance here, which is not even 10 pips away. It's literally like 0.3 pips away. Then you've got resistance there. Then you got resistance there. So maybe 11 minutes time. It's 11 minutes time for the hourly as well. It'll be interesting to see. Because look, at the moment, look at the hourly. What's the issue with the hourly? If the hourly closed here right now, what's still the issue? Someone draw it. What's the issue? Yes, Michael, good lad. There's hourly support, hourly support, hourly supports. If it doesn't close above there, then it's still in this range. So you gotta wait. Nothing really. You gotta wait for this one to close above. So it's back in the range, boy.
Fucking hell. Hey Max, why the Brits doesn't play basketball?
I think they do, but we just don't really enjoy. It's just not a big thing, really. It's just it's just a bit boring. I don't know. I just don't think people like it really. It's like the same thing. Like you know, you score like every fucking 2 minutes. Like, it's just I don't know. I just think it's a bit boring.
It's fun, man. You can dunk, you can do alley-oop, you can do lots of stuff, you know.
Well, you can only dunk if you're that fucking tall. I ain't tall enough. Look how they cry in soccer. Basketball, it does not hurt, right? Someone twatting your ankles is so much worse than someone nudging into you, I'm telling you.
Yeah, and you know what's the worst part? Like, I'm also kind of short. I'm like, I think 1.4. So a guy as tall as Milan with your sweaty armpits over my face.
So Gabriel's gonna, and the UK have shit teeth. I don't think we have that shit teeth. I mean, there's some big ones. To be fair, I had fucking big teeth when I was young. I don't know what I'm talking about. I've got some.
I like NBA to watch.
Yeah. Basketball is way more interesting than cricket. Yeah, but that's not fucking hard, is it?
What the fuck? Cricket is that sport?
Ah, shut up. It's fucking shit. So someone says, with no volume, even with a closure above 1816, what are the probability of keeping going? Less than 50? Nah, thanks. Yeah, true, man. Exactly. Yeah, for me, it's just in this range. Wow, it's just very, very low volume. We'll take a look, though, and see GG in a sec.
About the individual in our systems at the time of entry. We're certainly looking back, as I referenced.
Wow, someone's looking at some good news over here. Wait for a 30-minute closure at 8 minutes time. It'll be the hourly close and back above. That'll be quite nice. You have the 4 hour with you as well, so maybe a little buy back into this zone to fill it up again. Because this area, you can see it's kind of struggling. Look at these candles. So here, here, and here, all tapping this area. It seems to not want to continue down. So if we do take a buy, the 4 hour has got an hour left. It's coming back above this zone. As long as we get a strong hourly closure in this zone, maybe. Let's do this over here.
Max, do you have some morning routine?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to do one. I normally do yoga like straight away, to be honest. With my dad, but he's away on holiday.
You doing the yoga with your dad?
Yeah. And he's better than me at it. I'm a fucking old cunt.
Max, you open yourself way too much.
You drinking toilet water and you doing yoga. That's an unusual routine, man. But I respect that.
Nah, it's
You're
good,
different.
man. It's good. It's good. It's good bond.
Yeah, it's good to be different.
Milan, this is only the people up north, yeah? The ones in the south don't do this.
Yeah.
We do karate, kung fu, yeah? These don't do yoga.
Just imagine Max and his father doing yoga. That's just, so funny.
Mate, we're fucking big beefy cunts as well. Like we're on that shit stretching, bro. It's good shit.
How old is your father? How old is he?
Like 50.
Max, you should be putting this on TikTok. Yoga.
Yoga and
yoga, and I'll be trading on my phone. But you can do yoga while trading.
Gotta find your niche, haven't you?
Yeah, you will get some followers for sure, man. For sure.
Max, I'm old enough to be your old man, bruv. Like, I'm your dad's age.
There we go. Wow, nice strong candle, which is good. Stop loss as well, 10 pips to the low. Nearly 10 pips.
Toilet water.
If this fucking runs off in the next 5 minutes, I swear to God, give me some confirmation, boy! So hourly coming up, exceeding the high of the previous, looking nice. Daily's starting to reject this level, which is good. So the probability now that we can continue and fill this range up is pretty good. Hope it relaxes off over here.
And we haven't had such closures in a minute, eh?
Yeah. Oh!
What's your zone for GA?
Huh?
What's your zone for GA?
1.88979. I swear to God, GJ. If GJ in January runs off with me one more fucking time, like 3 minutes before the closure, I'm actually gonna like throw it through a fucking wall. Like holy shit. December was literally an absolute blessing. We took that for granted, man. Every fucking trade was 0 drawdown. It was bloody gorgeous. It was such clean candles. This fucker. Next year, I'm taking January off.
Yeah,
the whole fucking January off. Like,
we're going to the Maldives for a month.
The Maldives? Nice.
Maldives? I don't know how you say it.
Maldives. Maldives.
Maldives.
Depends how posh you are.
Maldives.
No, I would say Maldives down here.
Maldives! What the fuck?
There's too much divers in Australia.
Maldives, jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna go Bora Bora or some shit and play with some like fucking pigs in the ocean. I was just a rich in January, fuck my wallet.
How do you guys say in Australia aluminium? Do you say aluminum like the Americans?
We say aluminium, not a bunch of fucking dumbasses.
So do you say aluminium, yeah?
Yeah. Let's go and get some aluminum parts.
Aluminum. Yeah.
No, like here in South Africa, we say tomato, but other places they say tomato.
Tomato, yeah, tomato.
We say tomato.
Yeah, we're tomato.
Tomato, yeah.
Aluminum.
We eat
These
some
guys are
fucking
talking
veggie.
about different words in different countries. Because they're like, oh, the Maldives. I was like, you mean the Maldives?
The Maldives.
The Maldives.
The Maldives.
So this closure, I'm still a bit cautious about it, so I'm gonna wait for a little lower wick, I think, first, and then potentially.
Maldives. What? Oh fuck yes, I'll go to Bora Bora.
I'm not scared about that left support wicks on the left.
Yeah, but we're closing above it, aren't we? Yeah, we're closing above it. We're closing above it. The hourly, I mean, it's the hourly as well. Yeah, I gotta wait for this hourly to make a nice bottom wick for me first.
Like yesterday.
That's another one the Americans do as well. They go, instead of saying anti-theft or something like that, they say anti.
Anti. Yeah, they go data. The database.
Yeah, data, that's it, data. Yeah, that's it.
Let's go on the database. Data. That's literally how they say it.
Yeah, Max, but if we enter on that week, top week, we got just 6 pips for next.
True.
For next zone. Yeah.
Very, very true.
That's why I don't like.
Yeah, it's true. I'm probably still gonna wait. I'm not rushing into this at all. I'm not taking a silly trade, just like this boy. Also, 5-minute rejection. Yeah. Come back down. Take them, sell boy. Ooh, that's some good rejection, man. Ooh, that's some nice rejection. If this hourly closes below as well, please close below. That'll be nice. Sells look nice. Oh yeah, for sure. I know. I've wanted to sell. It's a shame. Fake out for Daniel Savage's team. Ooh, Daniel Savage got a fake out over here. I don't know where you would get the fake out from. Where's the fake out? Was he in cells? Yeah, his Instagram's being like deleted or some shit. Some hacker's trying to like get rid of him. Just a fake out on GG. Yeah, but where is the fake out? I'm trying to see where your fake out is. Oh, this one here?
Probably on the 1 minute.
Probably on the 1 minute. So yeah, this candle for me shows rejection. I ain't fucking playing with that shit. I'm still looking for sells below over here. I'll wait a couple more minutes. Maybe another 15, 30 minutes. We'll see. He only buys, gets clapped all day long. It closed below for you. Okay, wicked. Yeah, and the 30 here, I would not be taking any buys in this bitch. Hell no. Hell no. Look at GA. Yep, GA, closure below. Hell no! There is no closure below on GA. There's no closure below. No. Closure below the current, which is here, but look to the left, right? Wicks. And then you get your measurement tool out. You go, well, maybe if it's 20 pip zone. No, 5 pips. So fucking leave it alone. Wait until you get a closure below the proper support. And look, so what I'm going to do over here is going to do this, and then I'm going to go, right, now, let's do the exact same thing. Let's take a look at how the distance between this and the next low. 16 pips, much better. And there you go. So it doesn't take it hard to try and find certain zones and go, well, yeah, it's closed below in this level, but is it enough? Because how much, look to the left, how many supports are close to it, and it's very, very close. So wait until you get a closure below this zone. I already didn't have a bottom wick. Interesting. Mate, 5-minute onion sells, not looking bad. Max buy my course wicks now will appear now. You said isn't I like wicks now. Wicks now is funny. When I went on Control FOREX stream, he wasn't on it actually at the time, which is annoying. Which is a bit annoying. GJ in that zone. Gonna leave that zone? Yeah, potentially. I don't know though. I don't know. I'm not playing in this range from 7:30 really. Maybe when the time I don't trade later on, like 9:30 between 11:30, we can just sit back and relax.
Next, what time is the simulation?
Probably like 10:15. 10:15, yeah, and we're gonna do gold this time. Gold. As it is not high probable, should wait for range 2 to break. Yes, exactly. Oh, so tempted to just fucking sell gold all the way back down there. It's like in that range, boy.
You just exceeded the previous high without a bottom wick.
Yeah, wicked.
Nice bottom wick on GG, like yesterday.
Nice,
5 minute salary.
5 minute salary. Beautiful.
Is that a valid 5-minute salary without a wick?
Whatever you float your boat. For me, probably not. And this hourly did not close above over here, so yeah, if you were in this trade, I'd take that bitch off. If it closes above here, though, pretty good.
Even that 5 minute, it was so weak closure, like the break of the zone.
Well, yeah, people are entering here. Fuck, I would not be doing that. After that 5 minute, fuck that.
Fuck no.
Hey Max, you know when we get like a lot of volume and it's moving fast, and then we weren't getting much of a top wick, like yesterday. Would you consider like in future, like looking at the 5 minute and seeing that it's already rejected at the end of the previous candle to give you that salary?
You can do it. It really depends on the situation, but yeah, I think so in certain circumstances.
It's just an idea, because obviously we don't trade off the 5 minute, we're trading off the 15.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't have that top wick, but we've already seen that it has rejected on the 5 minute.
Yeah, that is true.
It's just an idea,
Yeah.
We've already got that top top wick in a way, in the form
Yeah.
of it's already happened just before.
On the lower time frame, yeah. Very, very true. I'm tempted to. I want this candle to come back up over here, and if it rejects it again, I might try a cheeky sell to fill up this range again. 13 pip for like a 42 pip if I held it. Because the daily's still very, very bearish in general. And when that news came out, before that news came out, that's where price was actually meant to be, and then obviously that news just skewed it, but yeah, interesting. So I want to see it to come back over here, and if it then does a flip and exceeds the low again, it's re-rejecting that area, and it may stay in this. So you can play the range. I mean, I know Ted does this every so often. If you can get a nice entry and ride it back down to the lows, it could be quite a nice little setup over here. Because you're getting the wicks to the upside, rejecting it again and again, and also, you know, London volume, does it have enough to break the higher time frames? Maybe not. Interesting. 1811.74. 1810.5. And yeah, so if this does reject the highs again, then it should come back and flip that daily again and fill up that wick. Because yeah, for me, this is amazing. For GJ, just ran off over here. Nice work. No confirmations, no nothing. So beautiful, beautiful. Daily coming up now, potentially flipping it, which is good for maybe later on. Maybe making some support later on, like above over here. That could be nice. So I'm just watching this over here, just because I see the potential. Did you make an entry in GJ? No. I wanted this candle to close a bit higher up, a bit more bullish. I also wanted the hourly to make a lower wick, so could not get in. And if that one, you know, if you get in with no low wick, then you just gotta push stops to break even, and it would have worked pretty nicely. There'd be no drawdown either. Very, very cheeky, but yeah, for me that was not a safe bet. Not a safe bit. Can you please draw what potential sells you are looking to see with gold? Yes. So it is trading in the range. So normally we do breakouts, but also with gold, if I can get a nice entry with high potential, I'm using the daily time frame to guide me down. If we do start flipping the daily again, it should come back down. But it's just seeing on the high of this level. If it does reject it again, it's going to come back down over here and play in this range furthermore. So yeah, something like this. gonna keep an eye on the 5 minutes over here. 5 minutes just closed. Bullish. So now if this 5 minute rejection comes back down over here, then I may try and take this. As it's got good potential, I may hold it on for a bit longer. You taking the S? What does that mean, boy? What does that mean, boy? That's why you bought GJ. I got into GJ, I'm up 14 pips. Nice. Pippies. Nice work, nice work. You taking this. Potentially, I want to see this next 5 minute potentially close down. If it exceeds this high, then I'm leaving it. It could potentially continue. Wowza. So yeah, GJ this week in general and last week very, very spontaneous, no closures. But I'm telling you, in the other months, if you try doing these trades like this, you're gonna get hit fucking bad. So that's why you see me, Max, why didn't you take this trade? Because it didn't have a bottom wick, and I know with hourly candles, especially with GJ, they're gonna make bottom wicks and they can be quite aggressive, and it can avoid you from fake outs, etc., etc. So. Thing is, it's the last 5 minutes of the 15. Yes, I'm gonna wait for this 15 closure, then look on the 5. Three minutes left for GA as well. GA coming down to a certain level, nice. Take December because of low volume. Fuck about. Didn't take December volume because of low volume. Yeah, December was sick. Yeah, December was very, very tasty. Probably one of my best months in a while. August was okay. August was a bit shit as well, but yeah, December was tasty.
Yeah, you got 11 in a row.
Yeah.
In December, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Or 12. I can't remember.
No, I think I got 13 in the end. I think I did 13. I think I did the 13th one on holiday actually. Yeah, but I was 13 wins in a row. That's pretty good. 13 wins in a row. It's very clean. So looking at GJ now on the 4 hour and the daily. The daily is bearish. The 4 hour is bullish. So it's in this kind of consolidation. The 4 hour, can you see, from 155.951 to 155.481. Did you use some simulator to train your skills? When I learned, I didn't really, because I was doing it live with Raja every single day for like 2 years straight. So, but now I do. Yeah, I use simulation. We're gonna do a simulation session with the gang at 10:30. So 10:15, 10:30. I might take buys with 1815.600. We get to closure, yeah. Do. Only issue is you got this traffic here, but I mean potentially with the volume. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah. 50-minute closing over here. Could you post one simulation on YouTube? I may do one. Yeah, I may do it soon. Only one. That's such a shame, man. If that was just a nicer close, that fucking stupid 5-minute candle, that would have been alright, but just what can you do, man? You can't do anything about that. I'm not taking a trade with this looking like that and no bottom wick, man. Hell no. Retail only short on GJ. I am from 550. Retail, yes, the retail is coming. The stop hunts are coming, guys. The stop hunts are coming. Your order blocks are in. Yeah, the thing with the gold is just this. Can it really clear all this at 9 AM? Can it? Can it? Can it really? 71 likes, beautiful work. Yeah, it's a shame though. But if you didn't catch that gold trade, then good. You couldn't have really. There was no entry. No entry. It was very spontaneous. It just happened with a couple 5 minutes, and then 15-minute close. Very weak in the zone. I ain't taking that trade. Hell no. So gold is closed above. Yeah, I don't really like the zone it's coming to be honest. I mean, maybe you could squeeze out 15 pips or so. Maybe. 5 minutes looking okay. Maybe you could just play it out. 5 minutes celery on gold. Sorry, celery play on gold. It's not really a celery for this candle. It didn't exceed the high, but could be shooting. What platform do you use for simulation? Soft 4FX. Like, I think it's spelled like this. Spelled like this. So wow, beautiful. GJ's came all the way back up to this zone over here. Nice. Ah, fuck off, man. Like, just one of them nice trades would be so beautiful. It's a pain in the ass. Gold weekly candle is still bearish. Yeah. That's why still waiting for potential sells later on. 4 hours looking bullish though. It has exceeded the high of the hourly, which is good. But it is coming towards 9. So 50. It's nearly 9:30 over here. I'm just seeing anything else. 1 second. So it came up to hourly res. Can you see here? Sorry, hourly support could act as hourly resistance. I would only wait for buys now. If you missed that move, the buys above 155.950 for sure. I think that will be nice. I'm just keeping a little eye on this over here.
Mess, you need the 4 hour and the daily with you if you're doing resistance or support forming.
Yeah, normally.
Both of them.
No, normally the 4 hour, but normally the daily's with you anyway. Really, support forming would be, the best solution would be both, but no, it's not needed. I would just have the 4 hour. A strong 4 hour would be nice for sure. Look at GA. Oh, still struggling around this area. A lot of wicks everywhere. Very, very shit. Looks like gold is potentially coming up over here this 5 minutes. Will it get a nice little push? Guess it's time to come back to in a few hours pre-NY. Yes, maybe. News for GG? What, now? Where, boy? Where, boy?
No, it's 9:15 US time, isn't it?
Yeah. It must be. Is it later on? Oh, that's yesterday. Sorry, 1 sec.
There's a red folder at 9:15.
Oh, there's one.
EST, isn't there? Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
you're right.
There's one at 9:30. Yeah. The guy's right. 9:30. Yeah, that could skew it over here. So I'm gonna be waiting maybe a little bit longer over here. I'm just gonna go get some food first, but I may potentially look at if we close back in this zone, I may try and take sells again for gold. But apart from that, GJ, I'm gonna wait. There's news coming over in like 12 minutes time, so be careful about that. But yeah, for NY session, if you guys want to join us there, I'll put the link in. Just quite a slow session until the end over here with no confirmation, so you can't do much about that. But no trade is good trade, so yeah. Thank you very much for coming on Zoom. I'll see you very, very soon. I'll keep you updated about potential. If this can't exceed at 9 AM, I may potentially take shorts if we get closures back in. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. See you later.
See you, Max.
See you like 10:15, 10:30, whatever. Right, that time. See you later. See you later, my man.
What you doing, Max?
We're doing the simulation at like 10:30. It'll be recorded though, so don't worry about it. Right, see you in a bit. Alright, beautiful. Thank you very much, YouTube. Make sure you like the stream before you leave. And I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace out, peace out. See you later. Have a great day, guys. Sorry we couldn't get anything there, but yeah, GJ just didn't give us the opportunity that we wanted to. But yeah, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.